All right, guys, back again. This is Trader C Brown, and you're welcome. If you haven't watched our video on GDP USD and Euro USD for the week 46, I encourage you to watch it after this. Okay, because we're doing a raffle draw, a giveaway, or actually, we're doing a roundup pickup for individuals to give away our mentorship to train somebody for free in the next 1 year. So whoever wins will be picked and we will train that person for free in the next 1 year. So if you're interested in that, hit that video, get your comments in and your like button, share the video, whatever you want to do to get on board, do it. Okay, now today this is gold, and looking at gold right here, I talked about this gold last week. I will just continue from where I left up. I told you that this was a strong zone that the market is actually rejecting from. One time it rejected from there, another time rejected from there, the third time is also rejecting. Now try to push back up again to break above it, but again ended up also rejecting. Already we are 18 days left on this candle to finally close, but the truth is we leaked actually push up. Of course, we can see that the bullish candle here was very strong, engulfing bullish candle that covered this, and also showing that the bullish momentum is still very, very much alive at this level. So it could end up breaking and closing above this candle by closing bullish around this high by taking our liquidity before the end of the month. We still have 18 days to go on gold. Now, what we did was very simple. Looking at gold here, we went to the lower time frame, the weekly time frame. We discovered that there's a potential for us to sell gold. Okay, and we analyzed it last week. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch last week video, week 45, where I talked about gold dropping from here by breaking that trend line, and then we're gonna get in, and which already we are almost where we this is where price is at. We are 1% plus on this trade already. We are 1% plus on this trade, and we have a little more to go. We're targeting this zone, worst case scenario, and that's what we're targeting. And it could come all the way down to 61, but we're saying that if price get to this level, we'll take our profit, partial profit, and then we can close the final trade here. But still, let's just leave it with that programming, with that analysis. Why did we come up with that analysis? As you can see, my FIB positioning, price already broke multiple structure here to the upside, and we can see this, what we call imbalance in the market, this momentum to the upside. So the market will try to fill up that liquidity, that gap, that imbalances, and then before going back up if he wants to, because now the reason why we said he was going to do it because of this red bearish candle that the market printed at that key level of rejection, which is $2,000 position price, $2,000 on gold. So it rejected from there, and now we can see a discount being given. So we anticipate that price will drop to 119, 1,920 or 1,900. Worst case scenario, it will tap into that level, which is 880 this level here. So that's what we're looking at on gold. Now we are already on the setup, we are already on the trade. If you check it, this is still the setup that I did last week. I haven't touched it. I just left it so that you can see that this is what we anticipated. And I knew I drew this line, and I was saying that if the market break that, this is what I did. If the market break that, we'll look for a pullback and we can get in. That's what I did. So I said wait for that, and that happens to be clearer on the 4-hour time frame. So it's still the same. I haven't changed the plan, because I told you on the 4-hour time frame that price created a lower high and lower low by breaking the structures. So you can pull back to create another lower low. Then that's an opportunity for us to look for a break on this structure here, If you couldn't get in on this one, you would have waited for another break of this trend line to get in. And that is exactly what the market did. If I was to do a replay, market breakdown, you see, break that trend line, a minor pullback on it, and it just kept tanking. And that is where we are right now. So price is now here in profit on gold. So guys, we're gonna leave it. This is one of the swing trades that I personally want to leave because I see that it's gonna go play out well. So patiently leaving it. Okay, that is for gold really. So until price gets to, we are not looking at any possibility of trading it yet to the negative side, or I mean to the upside or whatever, until price get to the TP. If you haven't gotten into the trade already, you missed it, that's all right. Now there's a way to get in on the 4-hour time frame. Hopefully you could, is to wait for a pullback. Now we see a break of structure here by this imbalance. So those of you trading SMC or any other strategy, you want to wait for price to give you a pullback again into this zone and look for opportunity to get in. And then you can target where we're going, okay? And that's the only way you'll be able to look for opportunity to trade, continue on the trade with us on gold. So if you haven't done so, prepare for that. And that will be your opportunity to catch into the trade and actually target this low if you want. So that's a beautiful opportunity to catch on the gold. So that's what I have on gold. Let's look at US30. US30 has been very interesting. If you check the monthly time frame again, US30 has a very strong consolidation going on and has not been able to break above what we expected. But we can anticipate again. We said there was a pull. We're going to look for a break of that trend line, then wait for a pullback, and we'll join the buy. As you can see already on our fib, we put a fib here to see a structural break here. There was a structure. Break of structure on this high, liquidity taking break of structure. We see that happen on that high, and then the market now pull back into that structure, and then is heading back up by rejecting at 61. Now he's heading back up. So the question is, how do you now join the market? If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see the clarity. I said we'll wait for a break and a retest. So now market just broke above 60. And there's no retest yet. So we need to see that there's a pullback a little bit, and then we can look for opportunity to buy because there's already a break above there. You can join into that trade if you want, or another way of doing it is to move, adjust your use this range, and there's a break already above, and obviously that should have been your entry. But let's hope price come back again to tap into the zone. If it doesn't, that's an opportunity to buy US30. Okay, that's an opportunity to buy US30 on the daily. You can see already price break structure on that high. There may be a pullback. Wait for it if you can find it. If you can wait for it, that's be great. There might be a pullback a little bit, but the trend line has been broken already. So I will be anticipating a buy from that level, looking for opportunity to get. You can enter with a buy stop, all right? Get a buy stop in, or buy limits. I'm not sure which one is going to work first. You can have a buy stop here, but if price pull back into the zone, then you have a buy limits there, a buy limit order for price to push up and then reject, or you can have another buy limit here, 2 buy limits at these levels, and then wait for price to go in your favor to long from here. So that will become your opportunity to target that high, which is obviously what is possible in the market. So you can have that 1 to 3 trade on US30, but ensure that price come to that level first. Ensure that you're waiting for price to come to that level to be able to get. This is a swing trade. I'm anticipating on this one. There's a big run, but if you want to scalp it or day trade it, then all you need to do is to wait for price to take out the liquidity at this low. So what you would do is to measure this imbalance, which the market created from here to here, and then wait for price to tap into 61 thereabout around that level, which is fair. So you'll be looking for price, where is it? For price to come over here, all right, and then wait for a push up, and then you can join the buy as well. So it's all good. So you'll be able to cash that buy on the 4-hour time frame for those of you day trading. So that's what I have on gold and US30. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Give a thumb up, give a like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the like button, and also share the videos to those who wants to learn how to trade. This is the only channel that will mainly teach you on trading for free. And I hope you're learning. I'll see you in week 47. Until then, watch out. Keep trading and making money. Bye for now, guys.